होने जा रहा है। मैं तो बड़ा एक्साइटेड हूँ। आसिम, आप इस मैच को लेकर कहां तक एक्साइटेड है? इस बालवा में ओह माय गुडनेस, ओह माय गुडनेस। एक बॉल था, थोड़ा सा बाउंस ले लिया था, प्रॉपर टाइम नहीं कर सके और ये बेहतरीन कैच। सो पहला विकेट जो है वो नाम आ चुका है। अब
और ये चांस पुट डाउन, हैज ही पुट डाउन द मैच?
बॉल खेला और बिल्कुल एक फ्लिक करना चाह रहे थे, हुक करना चाह रहे थे, लेकिन टाइम सही तरीके से नहीं कर पाए। बट कप्तान कृष्णा ने यहाँ पे कैच छोड़ा है।
लेकिन इस एक मुकाबले के लिए सुपरस्टार्स को एक साथ बुलाया गया था, एक मैच की एक टीम बनाकर खेली गई थी वो, और कमाल का
पहले ओवर का अभी तक के लिए 8 रन हुए चले हैं, लेकिन उसके बावजूद और इस दफा बाउंड्री कुफर टूटा है हुदा हुदा करके।
खुर्रम चकवाल ने
और इस दफा डीप एक्स्ट्रा कवर के ऊपर से हिट।
खुर्रम चकवाल ने
और इस दफा डीप एक्स्ट्रा कवर के ऊपर से हिट।
Stadium. Look at that. You always see sixes of cross-batted in tape ball cricket, but this is straight bat shot from Khurram Chakwal.
You can say flick shot. Jignesh got ready again. Up in the sky, catches the call. और oh my goodness, effort थी, लेकिन यहाँ पे बाल बच पाए। हाँ बिल्कुल, डेफिनेटली। और ये इस दफा पावरफुल हिट की है। oh my goodness, फील्डर
Well, that should have been taken. He came in steaming inside. Shane Desi, misjudgment to its fullest. Look at that. Had he been
shot again, goes high. 6 number 4 has been done by King of Asia Khurram Chakwal.
तैमूर मिर्जा फ्लॉप जरूर हुए, लेकिन यहां पर किंग ऑफ एशिया काफी कमाल की हिटिंग, यहां पे 4 छक्के।
और ऐसा पहली ही बॉल और बिल्कुल आगे गिरा। टेबल क्रिकेट में अगर आप बड़े शॉट्स खेलते जियो सुपर की स्क्रीन पे, और इस दफा मिस्ड शॉट है। ओह माय गुडनेस, छोटा विकी को यहां पे जाना पड़ेगा।
बंटी पटेल
जियो सुपर की स्क्रीन पे, और इस दफा मिस्ड शॉट है। ओह माय गुडनेस, छोटा विकी को यहां पे जाना पड़ेगा।
बंटी पटेल
एक बिल्कुल यहाँ पे बैट का जो बॉटम था थोड़ा सा उसके ऊपर लगा बॉल, और यहाँ पे बेहतरीन कैच, छोटा विकी मुल्तान में उसी से वापस गेंदबाज तैयार। ओह माय गुडनेस,
एंड सल्यूट टू ऑल।
और इस दफा लॉन्च कर दिया है डीप एक्स्ट्रा कवर के ऊपर से बेहतरीन छक्का। किंग छक्का खुर्रम चकवाल के बल्ले से। 10 बॉल पे 35 रन बना रखे हैं खुर्रम चकवाल ने, और एक पनिश किया है एक अंदाज से।
काफी शानदार हिट यहां, ब्यूटिफुली बोल्ड, वेरी वेल बोल्ड there by Bunty Patel. Silence here in Sharjah Stadium. The block hole, he switched, he shuffled, and that was enough for Bunty to go through the gates. Look at that, right in the block hole. Bunty wasn't sure, so wasn't Krishna.
Look at that, it hit the bottom of the leg stump and Asim
Breathy of tape ball cricket.
We had Shahid Afridi, we had Sachin Tendulkar for India, and this time it's gone for another ball.
Field setup here, they don't have a long leg, and all he had to do was just flick the ball. There was no man patrolling that area. This is not a wise field setup.
Cover that particular area. Meanwhile, Bunty bowling to Samad, and this time, well, I think it was a chance.
Was dropped, and he's not happy. He's the man who's putting his heart and soul in the game. Look at that, Bunty Patel getting that outside edge, and Krishna pulled it. Pulled, and there is a fielder who misjudges it. Mushahir Well, it's just not turning out to be his day. Mushahir was mediocre with the bat in the first innings and he was waiting at catch being taken, and Krishna hasn't been up to his level, I would say. Chance for the fielder, taken by Krishna. This is
Look at that. I think it's the pace which has beaten the batter. He did not get the elevation which he was looking forward. But what an over coming up from Bunty Patel. He is in trouble. For Rian Channu, he has played 4 balls and just hit a run. Another slower one. This is the earlier round with Bunty and now Shamsher. This time there was an opportunity and he missed it. For a moment I thought he might be able to hit it, but what a brilliant over coming up. This is the second last over of this game.
they put in the previous game. Up in the air, chance. Fielder coming underneath it and puts it down. Oh my goodness. Coming underneath the ball, judging it perfectly and puts it down. It's Shanil. That has been heaved onto the onside. Starts the over. That's Gujjar power for you. Pulling the ball from outside the off stump and depositing it on the square leg boundary for a 6. Umar Gujjar. Krishna Satpute was it. Can they get those 2 6s now? Shanil. He gets one of it. Belted that. Clobbered it over 2, I reckon. Shanil has gone for runs. 14 of them in the 5 balls.
He is providing pace, which is not going to help.
2 6s to finish. And on board. They have got 78 runs.
There we go. And he started with the dot.
Blood drawn by Zahir Kalia, Ustad, and that's why they called him as the Ustad.
Well, Ustad has delivered it. What a blow, what a punch. Second ball of the inning of Friends India, and they lost Krishna. Well, Asim, interesting decision. No Bunty Patel.
Living legend. Right in the block hole. Too quick.
Too quick and right. And the
Who's out there? He'll be facing Zahir. Should be wide, and it is a wide. Zahir Express. Right through the gate and through the wicket keeper as well.
wide keeper couldn't collect that ball. Look at that. It kept low after hitting the deck.
Brilliantly bowled. Not sure how do the local Pakistani batters manage to hit Zahir Kalia for 6s.
I'm not sure because I have played him twice. This time we need to see the signal from the umpire. Yes, it's now Subshid on strike. Full toss, beaten with the pace. Well, this was an opportunity for Subshid.
Krishna in the first over. Helicopter comes out from Krishna Satpute. He wants to come back for 2, but value themselves. Nicely bowled and equally well dealt with by Subshid. Brilliant. Subshid.
Will keep on bowling those wides and no balls as we have seen throughout the day. And it's Krishna this time. Well, full swing and missed. He is one of the player of the tournament and sitting in the dugout in this crucial game. Shahzad to Krishna, bowled out. Another brilliant Yorker. And Friend India is traveling. Look at that, another brilliant Yorker.
Friends India. Not able to make connection there. Express pace coming in from Shahzad. He's bowling like a Shahzada.
He's very expressive. Shahzad. But Asim, is it not amazing the way they have put up the show? Every match, even if they have lost, they went very closer. They did not just throw a...
In order to make sure that they're still alive in the tournament. Right in the block hole, but it's going to be a no ball. What a delivery.
What a delivery, but it's a no ball, and it's a second no ball of this over. And I wish it would have been Bunty facing this particular...
Free hit delivery. He's bowled him, but that's a free hit. And it will be called as a bye.
At the right time for Pak MWI, another brilliant delivery. What is going to happen in this delivery? I feel something. And it just hit away for a single. Well,
tape ball matches go into the wire. Oh, from Sardar Hasnain. Brilliant ball. And looks like that's the end of the over. Just getting too early onto the shot. And with the rest of the balls that are remaining.
Exactly. Oh, what a delivery. But they have a fielder backing it up.
Kalia to Bunty Patel. Quick, fast. Wants to get back on strike. And again a swing and a miss. Bunty Patel is also not able to connect. Well, Ustad for a reason. Ustad for a reason there. Zahir Kalia. Rajput, number 11. Beautifully bowled. Bunty Patel wants to keep strike. Zevi Butt, how easy did he hit these bowlers? That has been played straight down the ground. Current run rate at 6 and over. Short delivery, well directed from Mubashir and
नो डाउट अबाउट, लेकिन यहाँ पे ये चीज आप देखनी पड़ेगी कि जहीर कालिया जिनको एक अरसा सदी बीत गई है टेबल क्रिकेट में,
काफी शानदार यहाँ पे ऑडियंस और पहला छक्का जो मैच के 5वें ओवर में लगा।
अगर आज टेबल क्रिकेट यहाँ पे पहुंचे तो मीडिया का बड़ा अहम किरदार है। पाकिस्तानी सोशल मीडिया जो पेजेस हैं फेमस, 1 लाख बंदा एक टाइम में लाइव देख रहा था इस टेबल क्रिकेट के वर्ल्ड कप को, सुपर फिक्स चैंपियन ट्रॉफी को। और यहाँ पे फ्लिक करना चाह रहे थे लेकिन यहाँ पे बेहतरीन डिलीवरी। इस सुपर फिक्स चैंपियन ट्रॉफी ने अब टेबल क्रिकेट को इतना फास्ट कर दिया कि जो लड़के हैं, ओ माय गॉडनेस, फ्लिक शॉट उसामा अली वाला, झलक थोड़ी सी नजर आई लेकिन टेबल क्रिकेट खेलने वाले की, बट हार्ड लक टीम इंडिया, क्योंकि बिकॉज एफर्ट अच्छी की। क्रिकेट हमें एक लेवल की चाहिए थी और उस लेवल की हमें क्रिकेट मिली। सो थैंक यू सो मच जितने भी शायकीन क्रिकेट, और यहाँ पे पाकिस्तानी की टीम यहाँ पे दुआ करते हुए एक बड़ी कामयाबी मिली है। मोहम्मद उमर भी मौजूद हैं, यूएसए स्पेशलिस्ट टेबल क्रिकेट के वर्ल्ड कप का, स्पेशली पाक MWI वर्सेस